Good morning and welcome to day 36 on the Appalachian Trail. Today I am heading to or towards Uncle Johnny's right outside of Erwin, Tennessee. Still not sure if I'm going to stay there tonight. I did text them this morning and they do have bunks available, so that's an option if I want to do that. But basically I've just got to decide if I want to push those extra miles so that I'm a little less rushed tomorrow morning to get all the town chores done. You know, I've got quite a bit of stuff I need to do: laundry, resupply, take a shower, charge up everything before the Roan Highlands, and thankfully I don't have to dry out anything because it was dry last night. But last night I slept really well. We did, a whole group of us woke up around midnight last night because we heard something pretty large rummaging through the campsite, and turns out it was just some deer, and they hung out there for a little while. But I went back to sleep and then slept until about 6 o'clock, so that was really nice. Sometimes I find it hard to just sleep through the night without waking up a lot when I'm in my tent, but it's nice. Maybe I'm getting more and more used to it. So yeah, today we are doing lots of downhill. We have about 5,000 feet of descent and then only about 1,500 feet of climbing. So we'll see how that goes. Downhill can be nice sometimes, or, you know, it just depends on the type of downhill. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to get up into the 70s. So we're gonna make the most of it. Owl calling down there. Far Out calls this a bald. This is not a bald. So much of this has been cleared. Thank you, trail maintainers. It's a lot of work. I'm going under high rocks right now. You can actually go to the top of them. I decided to not take that blue blaze since it's pretty much the same mountains that we got to see yesterday from Big Bald. I mean, this is just so sobering. The trail's going down there and all these trees, hundreds of trees down. This kind of looks like the backside of Wesser Bald, where they actually had a tornado come through. I just cannot believe how much work has gone into this. It is absolutely surreal walking through this section. You know, I've seen videos and pictures, but I don't think I just realized how many trees were down and therefore how much work has gone into allowing a passing space for the trail to get through this. You know, it's almost a mile, if not more, of trail. And I don't know, just thank you to the trail maintainers, and wow, it's a lot. 11 miles. Got another fig bar to enjoy by the waterfall before I finish off this climb, and then it's pretty much all downhill for the next 10 miles. I've got about 6 miles left for today, and these last 2 miles the trail's been kind of gently going downhill. Gotta watch out for roots and rocks, but not too bad. The only not so great thing is a lot of the trail has been slanted kind of down a bit, just from runoff erosion, I guess. So it's putting a lot of weight on my right foot. That's making my tendon not really happy, but oh well, what are you gonna do about it? Made it here to No Business Shelter. Got 5.7 miles. Get down to the Noli. Let's see. Lots of people been here. It's fun to do a little hike by and just check out the shelter, especially when they're right on the trail. But we are heading on to Uncle Johnny's. I did text and confirm a bunk for tonight, so I can charge everything, hopefully edit and upload a video or two while I'm there. And then in the morning, go do my resupply and get across the river before 2 p.m. I don't plan on really hiking a lot of miles tomorrow. Probably will just go to that first shelter or so. We'll see. Give my body a little bit of a break before we go and tackle the beautiful Roan Highlands. I came around that corner and I can hear the highway traffic. Oh my gosh, is that the river now? Whoa. That looks so different. Lots of work trucks down there. I can't believe how much the river has just widened and spread out. I just hit 16 miles, which means I've got about half a mile to get down to Uncle Johnny's. I paid $30 for a bunk there tonight. So if I was just going in to do laundry, almost said dishes, I mean that too, but laundry and have a shower, it would be $10. So the way I'm looking at it, girl math, call it what you will, is that essentially I'm paying, ooh, little snake. Essentially I'm paying $20 for the bunk tonight. So obviously I'm in a shared room, so I'll film what I can if there's not a lot of people down there, but you know, gotta respect people's privacy. Plus I want to edit quite a few videos and get some of those out to you guys from this past section. Anyway, heading into the Roan Highlands next. I've done that section so many times that I cannot wait. And I'm very hopeful that I have good weather for it. But I'll see you down at Uncle Johnny's. The mountain laurel are gonna start flowering so soon. Oh, this is exciting. I don't know what I smell, but it's food and it smells good. This is wild. Looks so different. Well, I finished today at 16.8 Appalachian Trail miles here at Uncle Johnny's. I've gotten all showered, my laundry is in line, and tomorrow morning I'll go into town to resupply. So I'm gonna get ready for a cozy night in and get some videos edited and out to you guys. But I will see you all tomorrow for another great day of hiking.